Good morning, Kim.
Hi, good morning.
Welcome to our studio.
I'm so excited.
It's an accomplishment, a dream, and it's something that's going to be with us for a long time. And I'm really excited to share this with everybody.
It's a great space. It's something that we've been thinking about for several years. It's a space that we can bring all of our Aloxxi family to. It really embodies our 4 Fs: food, fun, fashion, and family. It's a space where we can hold trainings, we can hold classes. We just had a class yesterday. We do product testing here. We can even hold parties.
And you left one F out.
Yes.
A fun future.
That's right.
And that is what Aloxxi is all about. We sort of reinvented ourselves, and the studio really shows what that's all about. Our entire industry serves customers one-on-one, and fun needs to be part of that, and that's been missing for a long time.
Absolutely. I would love for you to show us your new studio, George.
Come on, I'd be thrilled.
Okay.
So what do you think of our new education center?
I love it. This is a great space that we use to hold classes and seminars. It's a great learning area. It can be very interactive. Also, it doubles up as our photo studio as well as video studio. So there's a lot of high-tech interaction that we can do within the space. Since we're doing a lot of color testing and color education, we even built 4 wash basins.
Wow, look at this. They move, and what do you do here?
We rinse here, we wash here and rinse product out.
And you try color out.
And we try color out. So this is our color bar, and it's a really great place for our stylists to just come and play. You know, we encourage them to just pick a color and start to play. We have every tool in, whether it's brushes, products, accessories.
Look at all of this stuff. These are cool, by the way, the way they slide. How many colors do we have?
We have over 200 shades total between our permanent, demi-permanent, semi-permanent color,
and Andiamo.
Andiamo, or express permanent color. It's a game changer for us. It processes in 10 to 15 minutes. So you can get a color client in and out of your salon in under an hour. So
you mean lunchtime?
Lunchtime color, and it's full 100% gray coverage.
That's cool. You know, this is one of the things that bugs me a little bit about people talking about Aloxxi. It's a color company. Of course we do color, but there's a whole retail side that people don't realize, from shampoos, conditioners. You know, the one thing we specialize in is color, and every product we make is made for color.
For color treated hair, exactly.
Right.
One of the most important things we do within the studio here is product testing. So whenever we're developing new products, especially hair color, one of the things that we'll do when it gets to the point of almost completion is that we'll have color samples brought here to the studio. We have a bank of models, and it's important for us to test exactly how we would write instructions. We look at viscosity, we look at fragrance, we look at how the product goes on the hair, and then obviously what the test results are. We'll also take a look at the consistency of the color from base to ends, and then we'll have our models come back in a few weeks later, maybe 4 weeks, and then 8 weeks later to see how the color is lasting over time. So it's really a rigorous process. It's part of our commitment of product quality and making sure that whatever we put out is to our Aloxxi standards.
I wanted to thank Launchpad for coming and giving us the opportunity to show you what Aloxxi is all about.
There's new products, there's going to be new education. We have a whole new national artistic team with a lot of new classes that we're going to be launching. So we invite you to come and, check us out and be part of our family here in North Hollywood.
Okay, you want to see the coolest room in the whole place? I mean, I designed this because I love bathrooms. Don't ask me why. Is this cool? Look at this. Here's the greatest. You're sitting down and you can put your cell phone here and you can continue talking and doing your other things. This cool. I mean, how many bathrooms do you go in like this? Anyway, this is the advertisement for bathrooms at Aloxxi. Go come and go come here and do your thing and you'll have fun. That's it.